Hello dear student, we are in class 7 exercise 2.5 question number 2. Express as a rupees using decimal. So decimal concept we have seen in previous tutorial. If you didn't watch that tutorial, please go through that tutorial. So this question is related with the rupees and paise. So here one thing is clear, 1 rupees equals to how much paise, that you have to know. It is 100 paise. 1 rupees is 100 paise. So here we should know 7 paise equal to how much rupees. So what we will do here, I first change the side. And then here I am writing only 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100, because that 100 I am shifting in other side. So finally we got the value of 1 paise, but we want 7. What we will do, here we just multiply both side by 7. So here you can directly write 7 paise. This is one of the easy way. And here you write 7 upon 100 rupees. So finally we got the answer. 7 paise equals to 7 upon 100 means 0.07, means after point 2 digit will be there, including that number itself. Because if you multiply the number 100, then you will get the 7. If you multiply this by 100, you will get the answer 7. So here if it is 7 divided by 100, it is nothing but 0.07. That thing you should understand. So 7 paise is nothing but 0.07 rupees. Got that? Going into the second one, 7 rupees we have already, it is in rupees. So 7 paise, just now we recently calculate. So here I am directly writing the formula 1, because just now we have seen 1 paise is 1 upon 100 rupees. So what about the 7? So 7 paise equal to 7 upon 100 rupees. So it means 7 paise equal to 0.07 rupees. Then here 7 rupees and 7 paise, it means 7 rupees as it is plus 7 paisa means how much rupees? 0.07 rupees. So you do their addition. 7 you can it can be written as 7.00 also, both are same. Second is 0.07. 07 as it is in addition, 7 plus 0 7. So answer is 7.07 rupees. We solve the second one. Third one, again you have to write the formula. Here it is 77 paise. So as our formula was 1 paisa is 1 upon 100 rupees. So 77 paise equal to 77 upon 100 rupees. Finally you have to solve that. 77 upon 100 means 0.77, means 20 means after point 2 digit will be there. So 77 paisa equal to this much rupees. 77 paise equal to 0.77 rupees. So here you do the addition, 77 rupees as it is plus 77 paise is nothing but 0.77 rupees. Do their addition. 77, you can give 0.00. Here 0 is there. You have to just adjust their point in center. 77 right as it is. 77 in addition, 7 plus 0 7, 7 as it is. So it is 77.77 rupees. Going for the fourth one. So as our formula is fixed, so what about the 50? 50 paise equals to 50 upon 100 rupees. So here first upon 0 0 get cancelled. So the 5 and 5 to the 10. Okay, so it is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 means what? You have to divide this number by 2. 0 will be there. So here point will be there. 2 into 5 is 10. So answer is 0. So it is 0.5. 0.5 rupees. So 50 paisa equals to 0.5 rupees. Okay, because here we got the answer 1 upon 2 rupees. You can convert into the decimal point. Next one is fifth one. So as our formula is 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. So it means we want 235 paise equal to 235 upon 100 rupees. So here after decimal point we want two numbers. So it is 2.35 rupees. So this is our answer. So I hope friend you understood this question, and after that we will go to the next question. So our next question is question number 3. Express 5 centimeter in meter and then kilometer. So we are going from one unit to another unit. Whenever you solve such kind of questions, you keep in mind one sentence. King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Again I repeat, King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. And then you have to write the unit, measuring unit. K stands for kilo, this is kilometer. H stands for hectare, D stands for deca, M stands for meter, and D means deci, C means cm, means centimeter, M means millimeter. So these are the measuring unit. And here two directions are important, downward, upward. Downward direction means multiplication, upward means division. And whenever you go from one unit to another unit, keep in mind one thing. Suppose I am going from kilometer to meter. You have to check the distance. What is the distance between kilometer to meter? 1, 2, 3. 3 distance is there. So it means after 1, 30 will be there. This is the simple concept. And then you check whether it is we are going from downside or upside. Okay. Here we are going from kilometer to meter, means we are going in downside direction. If you are going from millimeter to centimeter, means we are going into upside direction, means division is there. So this concept is important. Now we directly solve the exercise. 5 centimeter equal to how much meter? Whenever you solve this, write 5 as it is. Now here whether it is multiplication, division, how many zeros are there in 1, that we will decide now. So here we are going from centimeter to meter. Check centimeter, here it is centimeter, and we are going to meter. So where is meter? Here. So distance is only 2, 1, 2. It means after 1 how many 0? 2 0. And now we are going to upward direction. This is centimeter, meter. So upside we are going. So it means it is division. So it is divided by 100. Now you can easily solve. Here 0.05, it means 0.05 meter. This is our answer. So if you are dividing 5 by 100, it means after decimal point 2 digit will be there. Number of 0 means number of digit after decimal point, and last number will be as it is. So this is the first one. Next one is 5 centimeter into kilometer. Write 5 centimeter as it is, write 5, then write kilometer. Now here we have to decide number of 0. Going from centimeter, where is centimeter? Here. Where is kilometer? At the last, here. So count distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means after 1 total 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going upward direction. So it is division. And after 1 5 0. So our answer is point, you write first. After point how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write 4 0, and fifth one is nothing but that number. So it means it is 0.05 0 0 0 0, total 4 0 and then 5, and lastly you write the unit kilometer. So this is the simple technique. And here we are going from 35 mm and our unit is centimeter. So write 35 as it is. So here we are going from mm to centimeter. Here it is mm and here it is centimeter. So we are going again upward direction. Okay, there is two direction, downward. So downward means multiplication, upward means division. So we are going into upward. Millimeter to centimeter, only one distance is there. So after 1, only 1 0 is there, and we are going in upward direction. So it is division. So it is the 3.5 centimeter, because after point 1 digit is there, because number of 0 is 1. So it is 3.5 centimeter. Next one is 35 centimeter is there. So it means 35 mm equal to how much meter? Next question is, as we solve mm in centimeter. Next one is meter. So write meter as it is. Then here write 35. Now you have to check the 0. So here it is mm. Here it is meter. So distance is 1, 2, 3. Means after 1, 3 0. And we are going upside. So division. So your answer is, first you write decimal point. 3 0 means 3 digits. So write 0. Okay. And then 35. So it is 0.035, which unit? Meter. Okay. At last you write 35 as it is. Here we use only 1 0 because 2 digit require, and last two nothing but that number. Next one, 35 mm equals to how much? Kilometer. Write 35 as it is. So you check that chart. Where is mm? Downside. Where is kilometer? Upside. Count distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going in upside, so it is division. So after 1, 6 0. Got that? Give the decimal point. So here 2 digits are already there, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 4 0, and last two in place of 0 you write 35. And here our unit is kilometer. Here you can use 0 at the beginning if you want, so that we can clearly identify the point. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understood this question. In the next tutorial we will see the next question. Thank you.